Hey YouTubers, here's going to be a quick meal, very quick, and a campfire finally. This is a top sirloin. They only had so many London broils, so do a top sirloin now. Doctor it up. I'm going to use this carne asada by Weber, says it's good for steaks. And of course, sriracha. The foil pack goes on the grill, obviously, and it's a really nice campground. It'll be in an upcoming video, but here's the steak all done. Turned out very nice, as did the potatoes with peppers and onions and stuff. Flyover. Doesn't that look good? Top round. See how it turned out. There we go. That's medium. Tastes fine. Alright. I'm going to enjoy that. I'm going to enjoy the potatoes. See, potatoes. Great and wonderful day. It's so nice to get to do one of the great parts of camping, and that's have a nice crackling campfire. So I figured I'd share that with you. Another beautiful campground with amazing big beautiful trees. Just Canada does it right. The provincial parks in Ontario, Canada are top notch. The stunning beauty around Lake Superior, a quick meal, a quick campfire makes for a good day. 10 o'clock. Still kind of light out. Still got my air running because it's kind of muggy. I could get away without it, but it's nice to have. Trees are beautiful. That's it. Finally a short video. Have a great and wonderful day.